Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a superfood that can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Imagine a single ingredient that boosts your immunity, enhances digestion, and keeps your skin glowing. Sounds amazing, right? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let's dive right in and explore the incredible benefits of this green veggie. Alright, first up, let's talk about its incredible ability to support your immune system. This superfood is packed with vitamin C, which plays a critical role in maintaining a strong immune system. Vitamin C is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in your body. Think of it as your personal bodyguard, warding off those nasty colds and infections. It helps your body produce white blood cells, which are vital for fighting off infections. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, helping your body fight off harmful free radicals. These antioxidants can reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases. Next, let's move on to digestion. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being. Ever feel bloated or sluggish after a meal? It's a common issue that many of us face. This superfood is your new best friend. It can help alleviate those uncomfortable feelings. It's rich in dietary fiber, which aids in smooth digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Fiber is essential for regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Regular consumption can prevent constipation and promote a happy, healthy belly. But wait, there's more. Fiber also helps in maintaining a healthy weight. If you're looking to maintain radiant skin, this superfood has got you covered. Healthy skin starts from within. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, it helps in collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. This means fewer wrinkles and a youthful glow. Who doesn't want that? Plus, it's packed with vitamins A and K, promoting healthy skin and reducing inflammation. Vitamin A helps in skin repair, while vitamin K can help reduce dark circles. And if you're trying to keep your weight in check, this superfood can help with that too. Managing your weight is easier with the right foods. Low in calories and high in fiber, it helps you feel full longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. It's a great way to curb those cravings. It's like having a little assistant helping you stay on track with your diet goals. Consistency is key to a healthy lifestyle. For those of you concerned about diabetes, listen up. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for diabetics. This superfood has a low glycemic index, which means it won't spike your blood sugar levels. It's a safe choice for those monitoring their glucose. Plus, it contains compounds that may help control blood sugar, making it a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. It's a natural way to manage your health. So, what is this magical superfood? Drumroll, please. It's none other than ladyfinger, also known as okra. This humble vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. Yes, that humble green pod is a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. It's time to give it the recognition it deserves. Now that you know the secret, why not give it a try? Incorporate it into your meals and see the difference. Add it to your salads, soups, or even stir-fries. It's versatile and delicious. Your body will thank you for it. Embrace the benefits and enjoy a healthier you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and superfood secrets. Stay healthy, everyone. See you next time.